Discover the incredible world of Japanese superfoods. From antioxidant-rich matcha to gut-friendly natto and nutrient-packed seaweed, these powerhouse foods offer amazing health benefits. Matcha boosts energy and focus, natto supports gut health, and seaweed provides essential nutrients like iodine and fiber. Incorporate these superfoods for a transformative impact on your health. Improve digestion, boost your immune system, and enhance overall well-being. Unlock the secrets of Japanese superfoods and transform your health today.
Ever wondered how natto gets its unique sticky texture and strong smell? It's all thanks to the fermentation process. By fermenting soybeans with the bacterium Bacillus subtilis, natto is born. This process not only gives natto its distinctive characteristics, but also enhances its nutritional value. So next time you enjoy this traditional Japanese dish, remember it's all about the magic of fermentation.
Seaweed, a true unsung hero of Japanese cuisine. This oceanic delight isn't just about flavor. It's a nutritional powerhouse that packs a serious punch. Loaded with iodine, essential for thyroid function, seaweed is a key player in keeping our bodies in balance. But that's not all. It's a vitamin goldmine too. Vitamins A, C, E, and K are all present in this humble sea vegetable, giving us a boost of essential nutrients with every bite. And let's not forget about the fiber content. Seaweed is a great source of fiber, which not only aids in digestion but also helps us maintain a healthy weight. It's like nature's way of saying, I got you covered. So next time you're enjoying a sushi roll or a bowl of miso soup, remember that seaweed is more than just a tasty addition. It's a nutritional powerhouse that's working hard to keep you healthy from the inside out. So, whether you're a seaweed enthusiast or someone looking to explore new flavors, remember that this ocean treasure is not only delicious but also a key player in supporting your overall health. Dive into the world of seaweed and let its nutritional benefits sweep you off your feet.
Whether you're looking to enhance your culinary skills or simply want to live a healthier lifestyle, this video is packed with valuable information you need to know. Dive into the secrets of Japanese superfoods and transform your health today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into health and nutrition. Let's unlock the power of Japanese superfoods together.